Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Cotton Creations. So today I am going to be using those biscuits that I made to do a breakfast sandwich, and I'm going to be using my favorite egg substitute. That's right, just egg. And I'm going to be using my favorite vegan bacon, the only one that I like on the market, the Sweet Earth Benevolent Bacon. And I'm gonna add a little couple ingredients to it to turn it up a notch. And then I'm gonna be going in with that Violife mature cheddar cheese, and of course the homemade biscuit. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's get into it. So we're gonna hit the bacon with a little bit of maple syrup, just a little bit. And we're gonna put a little bit of fresh ground black pepper. And we're gonna let that crisp up. We're gonna season it with a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Next step, to melt the cheese, you want to make sure your pan has some spray on it. Put the cheese right down on it. Make sure you're using a really good non-stick pan for this to work. Gonna put our egg right back on the cheese. Let that get melted, and then we're gonna take it out, flip it over on the plate. All right, y'all, so we done made our bacon, eggs, and the biscuits from the other video. So now it's time to assemble. So just a quick look, we got our vegan bacon with our little bit of touch of maple syrup and some fresh ground pepper. And then we got our just egg with some mature cheddar cheese. So I lightly toasted the biscuit so that it was nice and warm. I'm just gonna open it up with my hands, same. You know, biscuit. Come on, bacon. I'm gonna just tear mine up a little bit. Okay, we got the bacon. Just gonna add in our egg and melted cheese. Like so, like that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Breakfast is served. Come on. What y'all eat on y'all's bacon, egg, and cheese sandwiches? I eat jelly. Sometimes I eat it plain too, but let me know what y'all eat. So we just put the top right back on like so. And we got us a homemade bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. Okay? All right, y'all. Let's get into it. I'm gonna just try it plain first, and then I'll probably add some jelly. Oh my gosh, bringing back so many memories. Y'all see that? Bacon with a hint of sweetness. Still that smoky flavor. The cheese is setting it off with the just egg. Okay, so I ain't gonna be long because I want to sit down and properly enjoy this sandwich, okay? But I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Hold on, I got something on my mouth. Let me put this down. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And you know, I'll be back real soon with another one. But in the meantime, if you want to see more videos like this or any of my other vegan recipes, please be sure to check out Cotton Creations on YouTube because I have a ton of vegan recipes there. And please stay safe, wash those hands, stay your distance, and be blessed. See you soon.